Have you ever wondered why you wake up with dull, tired skin even after spending a fortune on expensive night creams? The truth is, your skin doesn't need chemicals to heal. It needs the right bedtime routine. Tonight, I'm going to show you the ultimate 3-step ritual to unlock that flawless Korean glass skin by tomorrow morning. And the best part? It costs absolutely $0. Step 1 is the foundation of everything. The 60-second deep cleanse. Don't just rush through washing your face. Take your regular, gentle cleanser that you already own and massage it into your skin for a full minute. This gives the product enough time to actually break down the trapped oils, daily pollution, and dead skin cells buried deep inside your pores. Rinse with lukewarm water to prep your canvas. Now for the viral celebrity secret that costs literally $0. Ice cold water therapy. You can either submerge your face in a bowl of ice water or gently glide an ice cube over your skin for about 30 seconds. The extreme cold instantly constricts your blood vessels, which drastically reduces inflammation and depuffs your face. It acts as a natural toner, shrinking the appearance of your pores while locking in your skin's natural moisture barrier for free. Finally, we need to seal everything in while your skin repairs itself overnight. Skip the pricey moisturizers. Instead, use fresh aloe vera gel straight from your garden or a single drop of organic coconut oil that you already have in your kitchen. Warm it up between your fingertips and massage it into your skin using gentle, upward motions. This creates a natural shield, keeping your skin hydrated and lifted until you wake up. Consistency is the ultimate key, lazy girls. Make this simple routine a habit before bed, and you will notice a glowing transformation within just a few days. If you love $0 real beauty secrets like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Sleep well, and I will see you in the next video. Good night.